Most people never reach their full potential, and it's not because they're not talented, but because it's really about consistency, choices, and mindset. Ask yourself, are you using your time and energy on things that actually grow you? Or are you stuck reacting to tasks, distractions, and other people's agenda? High performers do things differently. They focus on small daily actions that compound over time. They prioritize learning over immediate comfort. They reflect on results and adjust consistently. Kaya kahit small steps lang, pero repeated daily, it leads to massive growth. The mistake most people make, they wait for perfect conditions. Pag okay na yung motivation ko, pag feel ko na, or kung may right opportunity. Meanwhile, potential quietly slips away. So here's the shift. Growth is a choice you make daily. Not once a year, not when it feels convenient. It's in the small, deliberate actions that you consistently take, even when it's hard or uncomfortable. So if you feel stuck, ask yourself, am I acting on my potential or just hoping it shows up? Because potential doesn't work on hope, it works on action.